Hey, my name is Robert. Welcome back to Guzzi Fabrication. The old saying, you're only as good as the tools and equipment you're using. Well, there's a lot of truth to that. Take, for instance, the tools that I opened the video with. Metal cutting chop saw, magnetic drill, and my favorite, electric hydraulic hole punch. Up until a few years ago, you're only going to find tools like this in a professional shop. And for my DIY guy or gal working on your project at home, those types of tools, way outside the average person's budget. That is, unless you know where to look. That's what this week's video is all about. Two things in the video. First part, I'm going to show you how to add high quality tools and equipment to your home shop without breaking the bank. Then I'm going to show you a tool that I've always wanted for the shop, but I really couldn't justify the price. Well, that is until now. Hey, let's get into it. So if you're looking for high quality tools and equipment, the first place you need to look is Weaver. Now, I've been using Weaver for over a year. Love their tools. The equipment that I opened this video with, we're going to use those as an example in pricing. Metal cutting chop saw, $247 from Weaver. Now, if I was to buy that from a high-end company like this one, now I'm not bashing Trick Tools in any way. I've used Trick Tools. I have purchased from Trick Tools. If you're looking for industrial grade, high quality, professional tools and equipment, it's going to be hard to beat these guys because that's what they offer. But it also comes with that price tag. If you're a do-it-yourself guy or gal working at home on your project, well, you really can't afford to spend a ton of money in tools that you're only going to use once in a while. That's what this video is about, giving you an alternative. Okay, metal cutting chop saw, $500. Second tool I showed, magnetic drill, $1,507 from a high-end company. But you can get one from Weaver, $297. Now, that will fit into a budget. And my favorite, now I have this tool, this is a game changer, but I don't have the one from this company because it's $4,200. Even though this is my business, yeah, that's a huge chunk of change for a tool that I'm not going to be using all of the time. But what I can afford is $459 from the one from Weaver. Hey, now let's check out that tool that I've always wanted for the shop that Weaver has now made affordable. So I've always wanted a portable belt sander because it's a lot easier to bring the belt sander to the project and work on it than it is to bring the project to the bench. And that's the issue with specialty equipment like this. You know, if you're not using it every day, it's really hard to justify spending that much money. But Weaver has made it very affordable to have equipment like this. So not only can you buy a high quality piece of equipment at an affordable price, but usually the kits come with a ton of consumables. Now, if I was to buy this in another place, yeah, it may come with one or two belts, but I mean, look at how many came with this portable sander. So it's starting out with 60 grit, then I've got 80 grit, then 180, 400, and 800. Wow. It's been a long time, but today is the day. Let's try this thing out. Okay, I have a demo set up. I've cut in half some round tubing, then welded it back together And half of this we're going to grind down and finish out the old way, and then the other half we're going to finish it out with a portable belt sander. Let's do it. And that's the traditional way to finish off a weld on round tubing. The only issue is it's very time consuming. If you're not paying attention, you could put flat spots or gouges in the metal. Now we're going to spin the pipe around. We're going to use our portable belt sander, starting with the 60 grit. See if the portable belt sander will do the job faster, make our life easier, and give us a better quality finish. Now we're going to switch out to 400. Now this is the finish out that we would have if we used the traditional method. And upgrading our equipment allowed us to do this. Wow. Everything is nice, smooth. It's sanded and ground down evenly. No gouges, no depressions, no low spots, no flat spots. The traditional way, we had to use these two tools, but the belt sander eliminated that, and we accomplished that finish with just this tool. Hey, and there you have it. The finish out speaks for itself. You want a better quality finish on your project? Well, you need better quality tools and equipment. Viver makes that possible. You know, maybe you're not in the market for a portable belt sander, but if you are in the market for high quality tools that won't break the bank, go check out Viver. Now, I've put links in the description for discount codes. Go check it out.